Oh my gosh, we talked to so many people in those early clinics that were just in tears. Tears of relief and joy that they were going to be able to see their grandkids again and, be able to go out in public. I mean, people were isolated for a year, separated from their family and friends, terrified that they would get this and it would kill them. So, yeah, they were pounding down the doors for good reason. The first thing that comes to mind is that we have so many people who have helped us with this effort in Northern Michigan. And so not only did they step forward to get themselves vaccinated right away, but they stepped forward to volunteer. Our counties, our partner community agencies stepped forward to help us in any way they could. Our schools have been extremely cooperative in helping to get the word out and to make vaccination, opportunities ready for their students and families. So I think we just have such widespread cooperation. We have an awesome team who just really every day reevaluates the needs of the community and looks at what can we do differently to reach somebody else.
I think we've got great connectivity with our health partners, with the health departments, as far as trying to educate the public on the benefit of the vaccines. Certainly, this area was hard hit with the pandemic as far as the restrictions to hospitality. So I think it's probably in everybody's best interest to take the shot.
I would say that there are probably two reasons. The first one might be the socioeconomic. The median home prices, land prices up here are very high. So a great deal of the people who move here are retirees.
In Leelanau County, we have an unbelievable participation of those retirees that have moved to our area in community work. So those are many of the people that have helped us along the way, either spreading, accurate information, helping us get our message out, volunteering in our clinics, and we've had great support of the Grand Traverse Band, which is, our tribal neighbors here in Leelanau County. When we both were having different variations of the amount of vaccine we would get every week, we would work together to make sure that we could be vaccinating if we had the opportunity. We shared vaccine back and forth.
I think another reason is because there is such a strong service industry in this area. I mean, all of the hotels and restaurants and, all the tourist things, we all had to get vaccinated. We've got to keep ourselves safe and our guests safe. And I think because we are a small community, I think it's almost like we banded together. The hospitality industry, when this whole thing broke last year, everybody was so open. I sat on Zoom calls with people from Marriott and other huge hotel industries who were open and sharing and email to all of us who were on the call after the phone call about their policies and their practices of what they were going to do to help mitigate the pandemic, right? So that was great. We're a little teeny community here. At the beginning of the pandemic, our numbers were really low. We didn't look forward to those rising. We all just really shared information and worked together, and I think that is something that's really great about this area. We live here because we want to live here, and we love our neighbors, and I think that showed.